uh Today is what? Today is like 26th September, and I didn't shoot outside because I was in a boot camp, and we just pulled like two girls, and uh, it didn't I'm just at home, so yeah, things didn't work out. But yeah, it was just a good day. I learned a lot of about myself. I was gaming for 8 hours, you can say, with a boot camp, and I was gaming with uh, yeah, so I was giving, and I was giving very specific instruction just to do this and this. And one thing that I'm working on is how to hook a set. For example, I just go very straightforward lines, just hi, what do you do, where you from, stuff like that. And it's not a captivating, it's just like a being very nice and without any reason. I'm not just putting my energy down. So in my videos also I have observed, I'm not putting my energy down. So in this video, from now on, I'm just gonna have my energy up in every fucking video, so that it just kind of practice to me. Like, I just do game to the wall, and it's like game to the camera. That's what I'm gonna do, from going forward. And it actually trains your brain just to just engage. Don't be reaction seeking, because I figured out that I'm so much reaction seeking. For example, it's let's say for example, you ask for a name. Like, I just ask, hey, what's your name? Then I just stop. It's like, ball is in your court, ball is in your court. It's not like that. It just be you just have to and it makes sense also. Like, for example, I'm just talking in a very captivating, and it's very fun way. Like, for example, hey, today I just went out, I just did lot of approaches. It was very very good. I just had lots of closes, and it was fucking awesome day. I actually changed my clothes. So see, the content that I shared, it's very captivating, and it's a realness because I'm just putting my body in it. So I just need to do more of it. And that's awesome, because some other aspects are very clear to me, like leading and just closing. Those aspects are very very super clear. And yeah, on the vibe also, the stuff is same. It's actually coming from mind. For example, it's a mission 2 of hot seat. Like, when I just let my mind go silent, and whatever just come up, I just express, just for example, express in a very animated, like a funny way. For example, like the thing that I'm doing in this video. And it actually kind of looks weird, but you just have to forgive and love yourself for being active and weird. If you feel like it's actually your judgment, for example, it's my judgment that feeling I'm expressing like this and it feels weird. It's just my judgment, and I just accept that I'm gonna be weirded out. I'm gonna be weirded, and I just accept that thing, and it just comes. I don't I become very good in expressing myself, you can say, and while gaming, you can say, after this particular fixed exercise. And I'm just gonna game ball for 30 minutes, 2-3 minute sets. And just gonna do that, just gonna fucking do that, just because I want to improve my game. And this is the one thing that I need to do. And it was actually fun day, and learned lots and lots of deeper stuff. Like, for example, one exercise is that the game the ugliest and ugly guy and girl. For example, you can just go and just for example, just to talk to ugly guy and girl, you just have to be stop reaction seeking. You just have to fucking engage your body. Then and then they will respond. So just do anything, hey, hi, I just saw you, and I just had to, whatever shit you want to say, you can just say, improvise at that time. But that's what I wanted to share. I think tomorrow also I'm gonna record at home, or I didn't went for night game, that's why I'm recording here. Otherwise I could have gone and recorded there, because I'm very tired. I want to sleep. I want to get my teeth done tomorrow. So that's it. And I hope you like this video. And fucking I wanted to share, and do fucking share and subscribe, and see you tomorrow. Bye. Have a nice day.